Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, the risk of outages and disruptions is ever present. Whether due to cyber attacks, natural disasters, or unforeseen technical issues, these incidents can have a significant impact on our operations. To safeguard our organization and ensure we can continue to serve our clients even during these challenging times, we must prioritize information security and business continuity. Understanding the threats. Outages can strike without warning, causing data loss, operational downtime, and financial losses. The repercussions can be severe, affecting our reputation and client trust. However, by implementing robust frameworks, we can mitigate these risks and enhance our resilience. ISO 27001 Information Security Management System. It provides a systematic approach to managing sensitive company information so that it remains secure. This includes people, processes, and IT systems by applying a risk management process. Risk assessment and management. ISO 27001 helps us identify potential security threats and vulnerabilities. It guides us in implementing effective controls to manage and mitigate these risks. Incident response and recovery. The standard ensures we have a structured approach to respond to and recover from security incidents. It includes procedures for timely detection, reporting, and remediation of incidents. Continuous improvement. ISO 27001 encourages a culture of continuous monitoring and improvement, ensuring our information security measures are always up to date and effective. ISO 22301 Business Continuity Management System. ISO 22301 is the international standard for business continuity management. It enables organizations to prepare for, respond to, and recover from disruptive incidents, ensuring the continuity of critical business functions. Business Impact Analysis. ISO 22301 helps us understand the impact of potential disruptions on our operations. It prioritizes critical functions and allocates resources accordingly to ensure minimal downtime. Continuity strategies and plans. The standard guides us in developing and implementing continuity strategies and plans. This includes backup solutions, alternative communication channels, and relocation options if necessary. Testing and exercises. Regular testing and exercises ensure our business continuity plans are practical and effective. These activities help us identify gaps and improve our response capabilities. Integration and benefits. By integrating ISO 27001 and ISO 22301, we create a robust framework for both information security and business continuity. This integration ensures that our data remains secure and our operations can quickly recover in the event of an outage. Key benefits: enhanced resilience. Our organization becomes more resilient to disruptions, ensuring we can maintain our operations and service delivery. Improved client trust. Demonstrating our commitment to information security and continuity builds client confidence and trust. Regulatory compliance. Adherence to these standards helps us meet regulatory and legal requirements, avoiding potential penalties and legal issues. Operational efficiency. Streamlined processes and proactive risk management lead to more efficient operations and reduce downtime. In conclusion, the implementation of ISO 27001 and ISO 22301 is not just about compliance, it's about building a resilient, trustworthy, and efficient organization. By prioritizing information security and business continuity, we safeguard our operations, our reputation, and our clients. Let's commit to these standards and ensure our organization can weather any storm and continue to thrive in the face of adversity. Thank you. Have a good day.